Hello students, so today we will see this circuit question, and the question is what will be the current in this middle bridged resistance R equal to 10 ohm. So we can see that there is a left loop in the circuit, there is a right loop in the circuit, and there is a bridged R equal to 10 ohm resistance which connects both loops of the circuits. So the question is what will be current in this R equal to 10 ohm. So let's start. So suppose I say current from 5 volt cell, suppose current I1 flows, and this will go in the left loop like this, and it will come to this point I1, and let's see what will happen after this. And suppose similarly from the second circuit, second loop on the right hand side, the current given by 10 volt cell, suppose that is I2, and it goes to whole loop and it comes at this point like this. Now the thing is, if any part of this I1 current goes into R equal to 10 ohm, then what will happen? The current going back to the 5 volt cell, that will become smaller, but that cannot happen. Whatever current a cell delivers from its positive terminal, that total current must go back to the cell again, right, to maintain the electroneutrality. And in the same way, that if certain part of current I2 goes into R equal to 10 ohm, then the current going back to 10 volt cell, that will become smaller than I2. So that again cannot happen, because again whatever current 10 volt cell has given from its positive terminal, that all should go back to its negative terminal. So whole I2 should go back to negative terminal here, and whole I1 should go to negative terminal here. So we see that neither of I1 nor of I2, any part of these currents hasn't gone in R equal to 10 ohm resistance. So there will be no current in R equal to 10 ohm, or you can say that current in 10 ohm will be I equal to 0. So that's the answer. So I hope you enjoyed this question. This is a very nice and little question which looks very complicated certain times, and people are not able to solve it, but we saw that it's very nice and easy question, and you can do it in few minutes only. Okay, that's all I wanted to discuss with you. Thank you very much. Take care and bye bye.